There are plenty of manufacturers which sell cookware, however, not all of them are satisfying American customers. For this reason, I want to highlight for you some brands that are impressive and unquestionably leaders in their market segment. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 stir-fry pans on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Copper Orange Stir-Fry Pan. The Copper Orange Stir-Fry Pan is already looking very fantastic, and you can make fancy Instagram-ready pictures of your cooking creations in it due to its orange color. It features excellent thermal isolation, and hence, you need less time for your cooking. In addition, the pan features a long stainless steel handle that is not only nice to touch, but also keeps you away from the heat. You might know how copper differs from stainless steel cookware with both good and bad sides. But this product is the perfect combination of these two materials, making them stand out among other products. You can also bake with this pan in the oven, as it is safe to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Food can cook rapidly, fast and evenly across the surface of the orange 11-inch skillet. Key features: the orange pan catches the attention. The design is beautiful and modern, high-class non-stick and resistant to scratches, heat very fast on induction, comfortable and ergonomic stainless steel handle. Number 2. Green Pan Lima Outstanding Stir-Fry Pan. First, the pan does not come in green color, but in a decent gray. And like various ideal sautéing pans, it also features a glass lid that covers the pan totally and can keep food warm over many hours after cooking, which is nice to have if the people in your family eat at different times. To protect the non-stick coating, you cannot wash the pan in the dishwasher. Hence you need to use a soft cloth or sponge and warm water only to clean your stir-fry pan. By using only the finest ceramic for designing this pan, you can trust it to be free from toxic chemicals, and therefore, the pan will also be safe in the event you overheat it by mistake. Key features: free from PFAS, PFOA, and cadmium, designed to stand against daily wear-off, extremely heat-resistant. The handle is comfortable in your hands. Number 3. Michelangelo Roman Stir-Fry Pan. If you want to have a nice, Italian ambience while cooking, then you should get Michelangelo Roman Stir-Fry Pan to add to your kitchenware. This product is designed with a 100% eco-friendly coating that not only heats up quickly but also keeps the heat for a long time. This means you can save time when you cook food. Thanks to the glass lid, you can easily observe the progress of the food inside without losing any moisture and nutrients. Furthermore, the ergonomic handle is protecting your hand from getting heat burned. Key features: can use to cook all types of recipes, optimum size for a family, typical, great granite look, non-toxic material, induction is applied. Number 4. Green Life Soft Stir-Fry Pan. Should you care for the environment and your family's health, then you must possess the Green Life Soft Stir-Fry Pan. It is not only looking great in your kitchen, but also has plenty of cooking space so that you can prepare meals for your whole family. It is 100% free of toxic material, but still has an exceptionally good non-stick and heat performance. Furthermore, the matching soft grip handle will make it easy for you to lift your pan comfortably and safely. Key features: manufactured without PFOA, oven safe up to 180 degrees centigrade 350 degree, dishwasher safe is applied. The Green Life Soft Grip 123 ceramic non-stick. The blue color will be an eye-catcher. Number 5. Carbon High Stir-Fry Pan. In the event you want to purchase a stir-fry pan to cook many different entrees such as firing fish, stewing beef, or use this pan as a foundation for a bamboo steamer basket, the Carbon High one will be the best option with regards to its high quality and multifunctionality. The product is designed with a very large 12.5 inches diameter and a flat bottom that will be easy for all heat to cover the pan. By using carbon steel to design, there is no coating or seasoning required, And cooking is still just a piece of cake. Moreover, if you still hesitate in using it because you are unsure whether carbon steel cookware is healthy to use, let this pan prove how awesome it is. Key features: a large pan with a 12.53 diameter, rather lightweight and heats up food extremely fast, includes a magnificent wooden lid and a metal spoon. The handle does not get hot during cooking. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.